Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, The Currency Channel. In today's video I'm going to show you some of my currency collection. So I've got many countries currency notes with me, more than 60 countries to be precise. So in this video I'm going to show you a few, maybe 10, 15, 20 countries, because it's not possible to show you each and every currency notes because I have a hell lot of them. So let's get started and I'll show you my currency notes collection. So I'll start with these US dollar notes because these are my most prized possessions. I love these notes a lot because of its high value. So these are two I have with me. These are the new series of currency notes of $100, $100 United States dollar. And then I have these three $100 from the United States. These are of the old series notes. So I've got around 500 US dollars with me now. And in addition, one of my most favorite currency notes which I have is the Australian dollar notes. So I've got three of them right now. Four actually I have. So this is the 100 Australian dollar. This you can see this is the 50 Australian dollar. And then we have the 20 Australian dollar. These Australian dollar notes are all polymer notes, let me remind you. And then I'll show you some of my other collections as well. I've got this British pound note as well. This one I have with me, the 50 British pound notes, which is quite a valuable note and quite huge note. This is a very big note, means the breadth is quite high compared to all the other notes. And then I've got the 20 British pound note. This is also very good looking lavender color with the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the front, as you can see here. These notes are issued by the Bank of England. And then I'll show you some more currency notes which I have with me. So this lot I have with me, this one is the currency of Nicaragua, which is called Cordoba, and this is a polymer note. It's quite beautiful. And then I have this South American note, which is the currency, actually this is of Argentina. This is 10 peso. As you all are familiar, Argentina is a country in South America, I believe. This note is of Haiti currency is Gourde. This is 10 Gourde note. And then next we have this African series notes. This one is from the Maldives. This is a polymer note, and this note is called Rufia. This is a 10 Rufia note which I have with me. And then you can see this is a Venezuelan note of 10 Bolivar. This is a different type of note, as you can see here. This is not a horizontal one. This is a vertical note on the back side, and this side is a horizontal one. This is 10 Bolivar note. And then we have got some low value note like the Mongolian Tugrug here. This is Mongolian 10 Tugrug note. Tugrug is the same thing. Some people call it Tugrug, some will call it Tugrug. And then let's show you the next note, which is the Afghanistan note. This is the Afghanistan Afghani, which is issued by the Afghanistan Bank. This is very less breadth and quite small in size compared to the other notes. And then we have the Nigerian Naira note here. This is a polymer note and it's quite beautiful and high quality. I like this note a lot, and this is the back side of this note as well of the Nigerian 10 Naira note. Coming on to the next note, we have the Pakistani 10 rupee note. This is the Pakistani 10 rupee note, which features Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the front side. As you can see here, this is the back side. And then next we have the Egyptian pound note. This is the Egyptian 10 pound note, which is issued by the Central Bank of Egypt. And next we will see the Bangladeshi Taka. This is the Bangladeshi Taka note. This is the 10 Taka note of Bangladesh, and it's showing here Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the father of Bangladesh. Next we'll see some more African country notes. This is the state of Eritrea's 10 Nakfa note. As you can see, it is the front side and this is the back side. And then the next note, let's see what we have here. This one is from the Congo, and this is 10 Congo franc note. This is the front side and this is the back side. And the next note we have seen here, this is the Angolan note. This is the 10 Kwanza, I believe. Yes, this is the Kwanza. Angola's currency is Kwanza. This is the 10 Kwanza note. And next let's check out the Gambia. This is the 10 Dalasi note from Gambia, which is issued by the Central Bank of the Gambia. As you can see, I've got a lot of notes with me, so I'll be showing you again some more notes which I have with me. So let's continue the video. And friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So continuing on this lot, we can see some things like this is the Malaysian 1 ringgit note. This is a polymer note. And then we have this is the Colombian 100 pesos note. And then again we have the Egyptian pound note. This is the Egyptian 1 pound note. Again, we can see here this is the Chinese 5 yuan note. This is the 5 yuan note. And then we have next the Ghana currency is called cedi, and we have the 1 cedi note here. And then we can see here again Malaysia's 5 ringgit note here. And then this one I have already shown you. Again, this is the currency of Maldives, the 20 rupiah note. And then we have one here, one of the least valuable notes, which is from Indonesia. This is the 50,000 rupiah note. Next you can see here, this is the Iranian rial. This is the 10,000 rial note which I have with me. And coming on to some of the more least valuable notes, we have the old series notes of the Turkish lira. This one is from 250,000 Turkish lira, which is not present now. This has been redenominated by removing 6 zeros. And then next we have the 100,000 Turkish lira note. This note has also been redenominated by removing 6 zeros from these notes. Next we have the Georgian lari 250,000 note. This is also a very least valuable note and a quite small note. And then we have the unimaginable $10 million note of Zimbabwe. This is actually a bearer check. And Zimbabwe, the highest currency note which was printed was $100 trillion. Oh my god. And presently which note I have is this is a $10 million note of Zimbabwe. Next let's check out some more notes. This is, I believe, Sri Lankan currency note. This is the 20 rupees of Sri Lanka. And then we have the Philippine peso. This is the 50 Philippine peso note. Coming on to the next note, we have the Qatari rial. This is the Qatari 1 rial note we have with me. And then this is the Jordanian 1 dinar note. As you can see here, is the front side and this is the back side. This is quite a high value note. And then we have next the Iraqi dinar. This is the 500 Iraqi dinar note, as you can see here. And then we have the 2000 Indian rupee note. This is the 2000 Indian rupee note. This is very good looking and quite long. This features the Mahatma Gandhi on the front side, who was the father of the nation, and this is the back side of the 2000 Indian rupee note. Next we can see here the 500 Indian rupee note. This is the 500 Indian rupee note, front side and back side. Coming to the next note, this is the, again I have some more currency notes with me. This is the Mozambique currency note. This is the called Metical. This is 20 Metical note. And then let's check out some more notes. This is the 2000 Indonesian rupiah note. And then we have the 5000. This is the 5000 Indonesian rupiah note. And then we have the Thai baht. This is the 50 Thai baht note. And then let's check out the next note which I have. This one I have is from Cuba. This is the Cuban 1 peso note with me, which I have with me. And then I have the next note, which is called the Ukraine's hryvnia. This is the 1 hryvnia note of Ukraine. So let's check out some more notes here. I'll be showing you next note. This is the Brazilian 2 real note with me, which I have with me right now. This is the back side of the note. And then let's check out North Korea's currency. This is the 1000 North Korean won that I have presently with me. And then this is the 500 North Korean note, and this is the back side or front side, whichever you may call it, I don't know. And then we have the South Korean note. This is the South Korean 1000 won note. This is the front side, and this is the back side of the note. Next note, as you can see here, this I believe is from Egypt. This is the 20 pound note of Egypt. And then next we have the Tanzanian's 500 shilling note. This is the 500 shilling note of Tanzania. And then next I'll show you Kenya's note. This is the Kenyan 50 shilling note, front side and back side. Again we have, I think, Egyptian money. This is the 50 pound note of Egypt. Again one more note from Egypt is coming. This is the 200 pound note of Egypt. And the next note which I have with me is the 1 dinar note of Libya. This is the polymer note and a single color note, and quite a high quality note. The next note which I have with me, this is from Uzbekistan, and this is called Som. This currency is a 200 Som note. And again we have Thailand's currency. This is the 20 baht note of Thailand. And then we have the Vietnamese dong, which is very low valuable currency. This is the 500 Vietnamese dong which I have with me. And then I have, this is I think Kyrgyzstan's tenge. This is 200 tenge note. This is quite a beautiful and colorful note, and I like this note a lot. And then we have Russia's ruble note with me right now. This is the 50 ruble note from Russia. Next we have the Moldovan leu note. This is the Moldovan 1 leu note. And then we have the Turkmenistan 1 manat note. This is the Turkmenistan 1 manat note. This is also a good quality note. I like this note a lot. Again we have this one. I have already shown you 1 ringgit Malaysia. This is the 5 ringgit. Again I've shown you this is the 20 baht note. And then this is the Honduras 2 lempiras note. Again this is the, I repeat, notes is present. And this is Sudanese. This is Sudan's 5 Sudanese pound note. This is the front side and this is the back side, and these are all repeat notes which I believe. So these are some of my currency notes which I have with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and be sure to like this video and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll be back with a new video very soon. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, and bye bye.